What's good, YouTube? This is RPU here, and I'm back again with another video. And guys, when you think of the American dream, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Let me know in the comments. To me, it's always been purchasing a home, moving out the hood and into the suburbs. A modest home, a white picket fence, a trophy wife, 2 kids, and a dog. Seems almost impossible to obtain these days with inflated home prices and rising interest rates, right? However, one Miami based company is changing the real estate game by offering crypto backed mortgages. You can get an FHA with BTC with no real credit requirements. If you got the collateral, you got the keys.
It's a major key, major key. This is beautiful, man. I'm gonna hang this up in my office. You see the key? Ride with me through the pathway of more success. More keys, major key alert.
Coming from dailymail.com. Miami mortgage firm is letting home buyers use their cryptocurrency as collateral for loans so they don't have to make a down payment. Florida mortgage firm is allowing buyers to make home purchases using crypto. Guys, cryptocurrency is a major key to the American dream now. When we get regulation and trillions of dollars begin to pour into the space, we will be able to leverage the value of our digital assets and purchase real estate. Milo is allowing borrowers up to $5 million over a 30-year term at 3.95 to 5.95%. Wow, that's a lot of money. Just having the ability to go to a company and borrow that amount of money is just amazing in itself. No down payment is necessary. Instead, crypto holdings are used as collateral. Wow. It means buyers will not need to sell their crypto coins, which also triggers taxes. So basically, you get in the house tax free because you didn't sell your crypto. Some experts warn such an approach is risky, with crypto notoriously volatile and unpredictable. That's true, man. The markets are highly volatile right now. So me personally, I wouldn't borrow $5 million because it's so easy to get liquidated right now. But as prices appreciate and eventually stabilize, we won't have to worry about volatility as much. Milo says a crypto mortgage could see borrowers win on two fronts as the value of the property rises together with that of the cryptocurrency. It's a win-win if you play your cards right. So, a Miami mortgage firm is allowing home buyers to use cryptocurrency that they already hold as collateral for home loans and not asking them to make a down payment. Wow. Milo is prepared to lend out up to $5 million at a time. Wow. On individual home loans. Wow, up to $5 million on one home. What type of home would you purchase with $5 million? I mean, you could get your dream house. You could get your mega mansion you always wanted. $5 million. You could buy an expensive condo. You could buy an apartment complex for that kind of money. When crypto's moon, it's gonna be monopoly in real life because we're gonna be scooping up these properties like it's monopoly. Those require borrowers to pledge the full amount of the property in cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum before transferring them to a custodian for safekeeping. So right now they only give out loans in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it says you have to pledge the full amount of the property. So if the house is worth 300, 400,000, you gotta have $400,000 in collateral. But you will still, if you have the collateral, you will get the keys. You know? And this is good for people because me personally, I couldn't go through traditional finance and traditional banking. There's no way I could get a $5 million mortgage. They just wouldn't give it to me because of my credit. And there's a lot of income requirements. Like when you buy a house, they require like 2 years of you being on the job. They want you to have all your stubs, 2 years of tax returns. Your credit got to be on par. Your income, your debt to income got to be on par. And so removing all that red tape really levels the playing field when it comes to real estate. People are going to go from accumulating to real estate in no time. So then you will make regular monthly payments at similar rates offered for regular mortgages with the stored crypto available to the lender should the borrower default. So you'll be making monthly payments like you would on any other mortgage, you know? And the sooner you pay it off or the more payments you make, the less likely you would default on your cryptocurrency, you know? Because like when you take out a crypto loan, they have like a debt to value ratio. Like, so like if you wanted to borrow $1,000, right? You would have to, depends on the DeFi app, but let's say you needed 100% collateral. So if you wanted to borrow $1,000, you would need $2,000, right? And so as you pay off the loan, your collateral requirements go down, which makes it less likely for you to be liquidated as long as you pay your bills. You know, always do your own research. This is not financial advice, but this is a game changer. You know, if you have steady income and you pay your bills on time, there's really nothing stopping you from getting a mortgage as long as you have the collateral. And right now, they only accept Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. But just imagine when XRP gets regulation and XRP is hitting high values, right? $100, $10, $100, $1,000. Imagine $1,000 XRP, right? In your house, the house that you want is like 400,000. It would only cost you 400 XRP to put down. For if they're 1,000 piece, you would only have to put 400 XRP down to get a mortgage on your house. That would be crazy, crazy. You know, just think about the possibilities. So it means the homeowner could potentially benefit on two fronts by buying properties whose values is likely to rise, while also benefiting from any rise in the value of their cryptocurrency. It's a win-win. Because like you're using your digital assets to get the house. Then you're paying off the house. The value of the house is rising. The value of the cryptocurrency is rising. You pay off the mortgage, you get the house, and you get your collateral back. Like, that's crazy. And the best part is, like, if you want to, you could repeat the process all over again and then get another house. And then now you got two houses. So now you're on the board of Monopoly with two houses. And you rent one house out, and the house is basically paying for itself. You know? I mean, that's just what I'm thinking about, you know? Because when cryptos moon, I'm definitely going to be looking into some real estate. So, you will be winning on two fronts because you're buying the property, the value of the house is rising, and if your cryptocurrencies rise, that'll benefit you too because you're making payments on time while the value of your crypto is increasing, which makes you less likely to be liquidated. You know? But always do your own research. So it says, but it also comes with increased risk. Using an already volatile asset to finance a purchase in the property market, which may also face a slowdown in the coming months, just as borrowing costs go up. Right. But when we're talking about XRP, as borrowing costs go up, like I said in my last video, people are going to be looking for a new source of liquidity, utilizing XRP ODL, right? And when the value of XRP goes up, we will be able to leverage the value of our digital assets to purchase real estate. It's gonna be crazy. Now, the person selling the property receives dollars directly from Milo, while the homeowner is further allowed to make monthly mortgage payments in either crypto or cash. Oh, that's cool. So you got the option. You got options out here to make payments in either crypto or cash. Like, me personally, I would never want to sell my crypto, and I would rather just pay them in fiat. I'd rather pay them in fiat and keep all of my crypto. You know? Pay them in fiat, continue to buy crypto, add to my collateral, lower my debt ratio, and make it less likely that I'm liquidated. Like, watch when cryptos move. Watch when cryptos move, man. It's going to be wild. There's going to be a whole lot of new homeowners out here. And these are the type of programs that we need to make people aware of. These are the type of programs that you need to share with your friends and family, because this is a gateway to home ownership. You know, in America, home ownership represents stability. If you have a home, you have home equity, which you could always take out a home equity line of credit in case you needed some money or you wanted to renovate the house. Like, having a home is, in my opinion, a major tool of stability. You know, having a roof over your head, especially with rising rents, you know, but just being able to utilize the value of the house is something that we should all do. We should all have property, you know. There is a wealth gap, you know, and the rich keep getting richer because house prices and assets keep rising. But our digital assets are going to rise as well. And we're going to leverage that value and purchase homes with it and move up in the economic ladder. This is what people like Gary Gensler and Klaus Schwab don't want you to do. See, they want you to own nothing and be happy. But we are going to own everything with our digital assets. So, if you value this information, you know, like and share this video. Share it with your friends. Let them know that we're about to be purchasing homes with our XRP. So you can make payments in either crypto or cash. Like, you got options out here. That's so cool. Now, it says Milo has safeguards in place to ensure they're not left broke in the event of a shock plunge in the value of cryptocurrency. If the value of the crypto collateral drops below 65% of the loan amount, see, that's the threshold right there. So if the value of your cryptocurrency loses 65% of its value of the loan, then it says the borrower will be asked to provide more crypto or cash. And if the value of the currency drops below 30%, Milo will immediately liquidate the Bitcoin or Ethereum and store that amount in traditional US dollars. Wow. So if it drops below 30%, so the value of your cryptocurrency can drop 70% of its value before you get liquidated. I mean, that's not, I mean, that's some room to work with, you know? But let's say if you had, like in my example, if we were able to take out mortgages with our XRP once we get regulation, right? XRP hits $1,000. You purchase a house for $400,000. You put up 400 XRP as collateral, right? You could put up double that, 800 XRP as collateral, right? And then you would have double the collateral on your mortgage, which would make you even less likely to liquidate because you have double the value of the house put up as collateral. You see what I'm saying? And so, man, watch when on-demand liquidity kicks in and XRP moons. I'm telling you, XRP holders will be able to purchase their dream home. So the value of your cryptocurrency can drop basically up to 70% before you get liquidated. So when I take out loans, I always like have way more collateral than is required put up. Like if I was to take out a loan for $1,000, I would usually have $10,000 in collateral, because see, like I have like 10x the value of what I'm borrowing. You know, that's what I usually do. But I mean, when we're talking about the value of a home, we're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? And I don't have that kind of money yet. But I would if XRP was to hit $100,000. So Joseph Rupina, 38, is the man behind Milo. So far, Milo has approved $340 million of mortgages in the last month alone. Wow, that's crazy. The rates are in line with the average borrowing cost for a traditional 30-year mortgage and between 3.95% and 5.95%. We're going to refine this and get it bigger, said Milo founder, 38-year-old Joseph Rupina to Bloomberg. Milo will be looking to provide other long-term solutions to those with crypto wealth, not just mortgages. Wow, so they'll be offering, I wonder what other type of services they will be offering. Remember that name, man, Milo. It's going to be big. But cryptocurrency is notorious for its volatility. Bitcoin had 5 days in the last year where it plunged by at least 10% as of Wednesday night, One Bitcoin is worth 39,200, while an Ethereum is worth $2,877. The stocks in the S&P, meanwhile, had only two such drops in the last 50 years. Beyond its volatility, there's still fundamental disagreement about how much a Bitcoin is worth, or even if it's worth anything at all. In 2020, Bitcoin soared 305%, but is now down more than 40% from an all-time high. Other altcoins, including Ether, also dropped a similar amount. Cryptocurrencies haven't always moved in the same direction as stocks and other investments, though they often have in recent months amid worries about rising interest rates. It's an especially big risk to take for an asset as personal as a home, said John Kirshner, who is head of U.S. securitized products for Janus Henderson Investors, to Bloomberg. Yeah, it is a risk, so always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just exposing you to the future, man. This is the future here. A crypto mortgage. See, a crypto mortgage is the future. A crypto mortgage seems inefficient given the volatility right now. Right now, though. Later down the line, when prices increase and stabilize, there won't be as much volatility. People think Bitcoin will go to the moon, but nobody thought the great financial crisis or COVID was coming. These things happen. But that has not put off Vincent Berninsky, who has used a 7-figure loan, damn, anchored in crypto, in order to purchase 2 small apartment buildings in Coral Gables, Miami. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. See, he's playing the Monopoly game. He bought 2 apartment buildings, and so now he's playing blockchain landlord. He's getting all that rent from those 2 apartment buildings. Right? The apartment complexes will eventually pay for themselves in a couple of years. And then all that money will be all profit, man. I can't wait. I need my cryptocurrencies to appreciate, man. So I can get on the Monopoly board. It's going to be wild, man. I'm telling you. Now, Berninsky, 63, a sports media consultant, plans to use his new purchases as rental properties, see, and has no qualms about the new type of loan structure using the coins. I was convinced I was going down the conventional loan path. It's comfortable. It's what we know. But at any given moment, there are better financing options and you really need to pay attention. True. But for somebody who doesn't have the credit requirements, doesn't have the income requirements that the banks want, crypto is a way around all the red tape. It's like a cheat code in this rat race, you know? We've all been trying to level up economically, move up the economic ladder. Homes are a major part of that. The banks make it harder and harder for us to achieve our goals, raising interest rates, raising down payment requirements, strict credit requirements, strict income requirements. Screw all that. I can go around all of that. I don't have to worry about all of that as long as I have crypto, you know? But there are risks involved, so just always, I just said it like 3 or 4 times in this video, just do your own research. Now, for him, the fact he was allowed to keep his crypto while securing a loan using part of his Bitcoin and Ethereum holdings for the mortgage was a huge draw. If you cash out, you have to pay sizable tax and you're leaving a lot of upside on the table because you're getting out early, he explained. Yeah. David Lyken, who runs a mortgage consulting and advisory firm, is not convinced by this new approach. There are always early adopters out there trying new things. Cryptocurrency doesn't have enough stability yet, or the confidence of the broader investor community yet. Certainly not now, maybe never, he says. David Lyken sounds like a hater. Yeah, that's the end of the article. I'm not going to let David Lyken stop me from achieving my goals and my dreams of owning property. And with this new way to get mortgages, millennials and zoomers will be able to purchase that property. Like, you know how many millennials, how many people out there cannot get a home loan because of student loans? That's a major problem. You know? And they have been talking about canceling student loans. I'll probably make another video on that. But people have been crippled by debt, and that is affecting their credit, which is making them not credit worthy to get home loans. But now, using crypto, people will be able to achieve that American dream and get a slice of the pie like they've always wanted. So let's talk about Milo. Milo is the world's first crypto mortgage only at Milo. No waitlist here. We can close your loan today or give you a pre-approval letter to make an offer. Wow. So what is a crypto mortgage? At Milo, we've reimagined how mortgages should be done by considering your crypto wealth instead of selling your crypto for a down payment to qualify for a mortgage. A crypto mortgage lets you leverage your crypto to invest in real estate. That's what I'm talking about. Our strategy matches yours. Keep hodling. Wow, that's what's up, man. See, these people know what it is. They know that cryptos will continue to appreciate in value. And so they've made a way where you can leverage that crypto without selling it and basically get the house tax free. Basically. I mean, you probably, I don't know how this would work with like insurance and other stuff like that. You'll probably still have to pay for that, but like, you know, when you get an FHA, like there's so many other taxes involved. You know, I'm wondering if all of that is avoided if you just get the house, you know, because you're not getting it through the traditional FHA, right? Like you're putting up the entire value of the house as collateral in crypto to get the house, right? And then you're paying back the mortgage in either crypto or fiat, right? And then once you pay it off, you get your collateral back. And all of that was done tax-free. That's the crazy part, you know? Winning. Double winning. Like they said, you're getting the house, which is increasing in value, and you're getting your crypto back, which is increasing in value. And if it's increasing, you're less likely to get liquidated. So here are the benefits of a Milo crypto mortgage. Keeping your crypto is just as important as buying it. We want you to keep the upside of your crypto and diversify your unique wealth. Borrow up to $5 million. Wow. For a 30-year loan term. Wow. Up to $5 million. Now, I said I wouldn't personally borrow $5 million unless XRP mooned and I had like 50, 60 million to play with. But just being able to borrow that amount of money, I would do exactly what the guy in the other article did. I would take that 5 million, go buy up 3 or 4 apartment complexes, sit back, let that money come in, and the apartment complexes pay for themselves. And once they pay for themselves, that's all profit. All profit. Crazy. Safe and trusted custodian, Gemini and Coinbase. Okay. So when you put your crypto up for collateral, it'll be stored with Gemini and Coinbase. You can finance up to 100%. No money required to qualify. Wow. So you can finance the entire value of the house. See, but I was wondering, like, if I wanted to, like, just finance the down payment, is that possible? I don't know. Because, like, right now, I don't have 100% of the value of a house. Like, I don't have $400,000-$500,000 in crypto just sitting around, you know? So I'm wondering, like, can they help me finance the down payment of a house? Let's say like 20-30 grand, right? If that's the down payment, because interest rates are rising, so down payments are going to increase, right? So I'm wondering, like, could they help me finance the down payment to move in? Whatever it is. I make payments on that down payment, right? And I'm also making payments on the house. But once I pay off the down payment, you know, it's fully paid off, I would get my crypto back. That's what I'm wondering. If that is possible, I might just move into a house sooner than I think, you know? I mean, personally, I would not move into a house right now because I'm waiting for the housing market to crash. But, like, this is big. Like, just having the average Joe has the option to borrow up to $5 million if they want to. That's crazy. As long as you have the collateral, you know? You got to put up, you know? It's either put up or shut up. And, hey, if there is a will, there is a way, you know? You can get the collateral. Don't sell your crypto. Selling may trigger taxes. I like them already. I like them already, you know? Because I don't like to sell. I like to borrow against my crypto. Like, why would I want to spend a digital asset that's going to be appreciating in value over time? Why would I do that? You know? I would rather borrow against them, or I would rather spend stable coins and keep my crypto and let the value just continue to appreciate. Amazing low rates from 3.95% to 5.95%. I believe these are the interest rates that you have to put down on the house, I believe. I'm not sure. If you know about the real estate game, then let me know in the comments. But look, the collateral that they accept right now is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. So if you can put up 100% of the value of the house up in stablecoins if you want to. If you don't want to put up Bitcoin, which is volatile. So, like, this is even better. Like, so, like, if you put up $1 million in stablecoins, right, for collateral for the house, you don't have to worry about volatility because a stablecoin is a stablecoin. It's going to always be $1, right? So this is great. Like, this is even better. Like, I wouldn't put my crypto up unless I had to. Like, if I could get the value of the house in stablecoins, I won't have to worry about volatility, which is even better. You know? So if you put the value of the house up in stablecoins, it won't matter if the market goes up and down because the stablecoin is stable. So you can buy a property with just your crypto. Borrow up to 100% of the purchase price with a crypto mortgage. By pledging more crypto, your rate could be as low as 3.95%. So the more you put down, the less your rate is going to be, basically. So continue to accumulate, because we're going to go from accumulating to real estating in no time, man. I'm telling you. So look, this is an example. If you wanted to borrow $1 million The crypto value required would be $1 million. So 100% of the purchase price. The rate is 5.95%, a term 30 years. You can make payments in either fiat or crypto. That's so dope. No down payment required. And closing time is 2 to 3 weeks. That's quick. That's real quick. Watch when cryptos explode, man. Watch when cryptos explode. XRP investors are going to have houses that look like they should be on MTV Cribs. I'm telling you. How will this work? By pledging your crypto with our reputable insured custodian, we can pre-approve your mortgage within minutes and close within weeks. Apply online anywhere, anytime. See what rate you qualify for. Our technology will give it to you in real time. Select initial rate and monthly payment. Freedom to adjust your rates and monthly payments during this loan. Wow, so you get to set your own terms. That's dope. That's dope. Like, whatever works for you, you will be able to set your own terms on your payments. So, like, you have, like, complete control, pretty much, over your mortgage. Close your loan. We deal with the boring stuff like title, insurance, appraisals, all behind the scenes. Make monthly payments and pay off the loan. You can pay us in fiat or crypto. It's your choice. Wow, you got options, man. So here are some frequently asked questions. Eligibility. What is the minimum amount of digital assets I need to be available for a crypto mortgage? We require at least the equivalent amount in digital assets as the loan amount. So whatever the value of the property that you're trying to get, you need to put up that value 100%. Or more. The more you put up, the less your rate is going to be. So pre-approval. How do I get a pre-approval letter? Click apply on this page to generate a valid letter to present your realtor. It is good for 30 days. Applying. Can I apply for a mortgage for a property outside of the United States? Milo is not currently offering mortgage solutions outside the United States. Damn. So, but you can, I believe that you can use this anywhere in the United States. Like, they're based in Miami, but I believe you can use this to get a mortgage anywhere in the United States, though. So, like, this is great, you know? Like, when cryptos moon, there's going to be a lot of people moving around. You better believe it, you know? And so, when you're ready to purchase property, wherever you go, within the United States, as of right now, you will be able to get a mortgage on that property whenever you're ready. Refinancing. Can I refinance a loan with my cryptocurrency? For now, Milo is only offering crypto mortgages for home purchases. There was one more thing I want to show you. No credit requirements. You don't even have to be a United States citizen to participate in this. This is crazy. It says, do I need to be a U.S. citizen to apply? No. Milo is founded on serving the global community. Anyone with a U.S. visa can apply for a mortgage on a U.S. property. Wow. So just imagine all of the immigrants that are migrating here that have crypto. They will be able to also utilize this service and get into the crypto game. Like, you better step your game up, because there's going to be a lot of people with cryptocurrency that are going to, you know, skip all the red tape and move up in life. And you don't want to get left behind. So you might want to, you know, take note of this. There was one more frequently asked question that right here. Credit score. No credit score required. Do I need to have a good credit score, FICO? No. No. Milo does not require a FICO score. But if you have great credit, it doesn't hurt to provide this information. We don't require that you disclose this information because we assess credit worthiness based of your crypto holdings, not you. That's so dope. So dope. Like, Milo is giving people an opportunity to move up the economic ladder, purchase real estate without having to go through all the traditional red tape of traditional banking, man. This is game changer. Game changer. And when crypto's moon and appreciate in value, I will definitely be utilizing this service. You know, right now, they only offer Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. But when we get regulation, maybe they'll offer other tokens like XRP. I'm really excited to see what the future holds, man. Because with crypto, when crypto's moon, like, we're going to have so much money to play with. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. So, yeah. This is what I'm looking at right now. Check out Milo, based out in Miami. Miami is where it's at. If you haven't realized it yet, when it comes to crypto, Miami is where it's at. And Miami is going to be like a major hub for crypto. I'm telling you. And crypto is literally changing people's lives. Literally changing people's lives. Like, just imagine all the people who don't know about this, but you know about this, and they see you elevate in life and move into your first home, and they're going to be asking you, like, how did you do it? How did you do it? And I'm going to say, you're going to say, oh, I use my Bitcoin or I use my Ethereum, and they're going to be looking at you like you're crazy, So, man, spread the word. CryptoBacked Mortgages in Miami, man. It's gonna be insane, man. I can't wait. I can't wait. But let me know what you think about all this. This is RPU, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.